All my niggas are low, and I hope that you know it. I can't even close my eyes, and I don't know why. Guess I don't like surprises. I can't even stay away from the game that I play. They gon' know us today. Hey, can I pop shit? I might bottom on the low, but they top shit. Switch the genre on you hoes, do a rocket. I got the biggest damn song, fuck the charts, sis. I don't need it. They wanna know if I be last done. Bitch, even if I started flopping, that be fashion. Popping up in movies and them lousy bitches ass done. I'm bad as Michael Jackson. Hey.